How to change display name in Grindr. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily change it. First of all, open the application. Now here on the left top, you can see this profile icon. Simply tap on this profile icon. Now here on the top, simply tap on your profile icon again. So here on the bottom, there's an option called edit profile. Simply tap on edit profile. So this is the section where you can edit your profile completely. Here, you'll be able to find a section called display name. Simply tap on this display name. Now here, you can enter any of the name that you want to change into. So here, you can add your name and surname. And at last, simply tap on this tick button. So at last, here on the bottom, tap on save and you're all set to go. So the display name is completely changed and other people can view it as it is too. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.